Hi, I'm Nico and welcome to my channel. Today's video will be a simple and short tutorial about armor separation. Armor separation is basically the act of trimming and separating an armor piece into one or two more parts. This adds detail to an otherwise plain part. Armor separation is usually done on MG or RG kits. It can be done on HG kits too, just takes a bit more planning. I have a video about armor separation on an HG kit and I'll put the link below if you want to see it. So for this tutorial, I'll be using this Gym Command Colony type front skirt. It looks too plain for me and I don't like the design. So I'm gonna break this into two parts. Before separating, first you have to plan the exact place because you have to make sure that there is still a connection point. Meaning, there should still be a peg for each part that you separated. Otherwise, you would have to resort to using glue. And then once you know where to cut, you can draw out the design or just make a straight line. For this armor separation, I'll be using a 0.1mm SAB panel liner. I chose the smallest size to get the thinnest and cleanest separation. This is gonna take a couple of minutes to get done, and you shouldn't be impatient and rush, because if you do, your hold on the chisel will get heavier, then before you know it, you'll end up with a chipped chisel blade. After a while of scribing, you'll notice that you are starting to get through to the other side, and at this point, you can just snap it off. But personally, I scribe until it's cleanly separated. This is what it's gonna look like afterwards. Each piece has their individual pegs as connection points. This takes more time than normal panel line scribing, but it's not hard work. You still use the same light pressure as you would with scribing. You just need to do it a couple more times. The gap from the armor separation was clean, but it's a bit too subtle for me, so what I did was sanded it a bit with the 600 grit file to really widen that gap and make it look really separated. And then afterwards, I mentioned how I don't like the design, so I'm gonna remove that with putty and then add some panel line scribing and some flat plates on this skirt, and it's done. Armor separation already looks good as it is. It adds detail to an otherwise plain looking kit, but it looks better with some flat plates and panel line scribing. I hope you liked this tutorial and you found it useful. This is a really easy way to add detail to your kits. And leave a comment down below if you want to see more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe and watch my other videos.